Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I would like to talk about the future tense in German. And the good news right up front, there's only one future tense in German. And for this, my color is this beautiful pink. And in my images for the future tense, I use the same background color. To see more how I use colors and pictures to show you German for beginners, just click on the first link down in the description. But let's look specifically how we build the future tense. For example, let's take the verb lernen, to learn. To put this verb into the future tense, we need an auxiliary verb. And our auxiliary verb is werden, like the verb will in English. And it comes somewhere before the other verb. But let's see later where exactly. First, let's look at how we conjugate everything. Unfortunately, the auxiliary verb werden is irregular because in some forms the E becomes an I. But the first person singular is fortunately still regular. Ich werde. And interestingly, for the main verb, you simply use infinitive, lernen, as in our example sentence. Ich werde Deutsch lernen. Literally, I will German learn. And as with the modal verbs, the auxiliary verb is in position 2 and the infinitive from the main verb is at the end. And the picture reminds us with its color that it's future tense. Now let's look at the other persons. Du wirst lernen. Du wirst Deutsch lernen. Literally, you will German learn. Here, our auxiliary verb is irregular, so be careful. The same in the third person singular. Er wird lernen. Er wird Deutsch lernen. Literally, he will German learn. The first person plural is again regular. Wir werden lernen. Wir werden Deutsch lernen. Literally, we will German learn. In the second person, we need an extra E to separate the root of the verb from the ending. Ihr werdet lernen. Ihr werdet Deutsch lernen. Literally, you all will German learn. And the third person is regular again. Sie werden lernen. Sie werden Deutsch lernen. Literally, they will German learn. Yeah, and this is how it works with all verbs. So actually, a piece of cake in German. Finally. But please always remember that our auxiliary verb for the future tense is werden. Many people confuse this with the modal verb wollen, which means to want. So please don't make the same mistake. And of course, I hope that you will also learn German in the future. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you don't miss anything. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy and thank you very much for watching.